Hey there, it's Chef Katie. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Today I am playing with bulgur. What? Not vulgar, it's bulgur. Bulgur, you might be new to you, but if you've ever had tabbouleh, you've probably had bulgur. Bulgur is actually cracked wheat. So it's a whole grain, it's full of healthy fiber and protein, and it's pretty quick and easy to make it. All you have to do to cook bulgur is put it in a heat-safe container, like one of these guys. And then you want to take hot water. Now, I have a hot water kettle, which makes this super easy. It's already hot and ready to go. And you just want to cover your bulgur, bulgur, by about a ½ inch. There we go. I'm going to let this soak for about 10 minutes. And when I come back, and it's going to be light, fluffy, and delicious.
All right, it's been 10 minutes. Our bulgur has been soaking in some hot water. And look how delicious and fluffy it is. It is ready to go. So easy, great texture. Oh, this is so good. And salads are doing like stuffed peppers or stuffed cabbage rolls. Bulgur rules because plants rule. This is Chef Katie. I will see you next time.